Hello everyone, and welcome to the tenorshare. Recently, many users have reported issues with iCloud Mail push notifications after updating to iOS 18.3.2. Today, we'll dive into this issue and share some temporary solutions. Some users have noticed that new iCloud emails are not automatically pushed to their devices. Even with the correct settings enabled, emails only appear when manually refreshing the Mail app. This suggests that the issue may be linked to the latest iOS update. Until Apple resolves the issue, you can use another Mail app to avoid missing important messages. Typically, Gmail can also be accessed through email apps, like Outlook using IMAP. You can choose an alternative way to manage your emails. Additionally, ensure your push notifications are enabled. Go to Settings, Apps, Find Mails. Then go to Accounts and fetch New Data and selecting Push. If the iCloud Mail issue is severely affecting your experience, you may consider downgrading to iOS 18.3. A computer-based tool like tenorshare ReiBoot can help you do this easily. Check out the video card or the link in the description for a step-by-step guide. For now, we can wait for Apple to release a fix for the iCloud Mail push issue in a future update. In the meantime, try the temporary solutions above to manage your emails effectively. Thanks for watching. If you've encountered this issue or have other solutions, feel free to share them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.